Hello, fellow Toastmasters. Today, I will show you how to change your background in a Zoom meeting using the virtual background. The best way for me to show you is to share my screen and you see the process. Here we go. So the first step is to be in a room that has a blank wall behind you with no interruptions, such as pictures or furniture or anything else like that. Also, you want to be in a room possibly with a door where you can close it so there's nobody talking behind you or moving around or interrupting your meeting. So those are first steps that you need to do. Now, I will show you how to get the virtual background set up. You can see on my screen the Zoom meeting when it's open. The app, when you open the app, this is what you see. What you're going to do is you're going to go and click on the profile picture, click on it and go into the settings. Another box will be open and it will give you a list of things that you can change and set up. Now we're going only into the virtual background. Here you will see what the camera sees and you will see the possible, there's presets that are there. If you want to use those, that's fine. In this case, we're going to upload the new ones, the ones that you want to use in our Toastmaster meetings. This will help our timers change the lights from green to yellow to red. Now, how do we get these backgrounds here? Is you're going to click on the plus button and it will give you two options, add image or add video. We are going to add an image and it will open a new folder where you will have these images stored. You just click on image that you would like, click on it, open, and here we go. Your background's right behind you. Now, with these virtual backgrounds, there's a little bit of a problem. If you're moving around, it will show like you're ghosting or disappearing. Now you can see I have a chair behind me. If I move, the chair disappears. It's good my face is not or disappearing, but the chair is. Could be distracting. So try to stay still as much as you can so it's not disruptive. Another thing is find a place that has good lighting. If you don't have one, I'm using my phone light right now. It's not helping much, but helps a little bit. So try to set up a place with good lighting. We want to see your face. We don't want to see the darkness. Now I will give you a few other tips. And I will move this around. So for the virtual meetings, a few other tips. If you're using your phone or your tablet, try to put them on a stable surface so they don't move around. And any moving is going to be distracting for the speaker. Get familiar with the Zoom platform. If you have questions, ask somebody who has a little more knowledge. They can help you with that. I said about the lighting already. Position yourself when you're sitting. Position yourself so we don't see only your face, we see upper portion of your body. Also position your camera at the eye level. And when you're speaking, try to look at the camera. I actually tend to look at my screen where I see all the people that are at the meeting, and it looks like I'm not paying attention. So try to look at the camera when you're speaking. Another thing, if you're wearing glasses, they might have a reflection or show reflection. Hey, you can't really change that much. If you need glasses, you need them, so you are stuck. I hope these few tips helps you with how you use Zoom in your next meeting. If you have any questions, please let me know. you can email me and I will either arrange a meeting or help you in the email. Please join Toastmasters. It is fun for everyone, and this is where leaders are made. Thank you.